Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy and welcome to the weekly update of Nifty. हम यहाँ पर Nifty analyze करेंगे this week के लिए. Now excuse me while I do that because I'm having a little bit cold, so my voice is not supporting me. So before we begin, I want to thank all of the guys who took their time and came for the webinar on the 18th. I hope we gave you some perspective how we see market and how we analyze the charts and all that. So we are getting good response on the webinar. So we will try to keep it every once in a while. And also for those who actually sent me the message and mails regarding the our channels, that why we are not uploading the video. First of all, thank you so much for the mails and the humble words you are sending me. It just I wanted to take a break for this week and from video only, not from trading. I just wanted to take a break, and plus I was testing new software, new charting platform. So there was a couple of softwares I was dealing with, so I was unable to record all the videos and all that. So it doesn't mean we were not trading. We were trading. So we were trading Nifty every day. It's not like we were not trading. We were trading it, and I think we were dealing with this bunch. And in this I guess we got two break evens and three winning trades. That's how we see it. No stop loss on Nifty, and this has been, I think, third week where we have not given any stop loss in Nifty. But it doesn't mean the stop loss were not hit. I have given some stop losses in commodity and all that. So that's the update on last week. So let's go ahead and proceed further on Nifty, our dearest Nifty. So what's the scene for this week? So this is the Nifty. And if you remember guys, I literally gave you blueprint last week. Like what is going to happen and what I'm anticipating in the market. So if you have the strategy, you would be able to take advantage of that. If not, not our fault. So remember we were saying this move can come here and go up, or this move can come here and go up, and actually literally both of them happened. If you go to the futures chart, this is Nifty future which you trade. This move came here, now it's setting up for up. And if you go to Nifty, this move came here and now it's setting up for top. Now we have executed some trades. Now the question is this, क्या ये वही मूव है जो यहाँ तक आने वाला है जिसके लिए मैंने ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट किया हुआ है? If yes, then this will be giving us some trend continuation patterns in the between. So in that case, we can add some trade to it. We can trade it intraday also in the same direction. But if in any case, now keep in mind, अगर reversal आया, so before reaching to this top, we'll be going down from there. But that's optional. Just keep in mind that's just for our trading room, because we would be analyzing this on every single move basis. Okay, but for us, a bigger picture, what I'm expecting, I'm anticipating this move to come here, and once this move tag this top, I have to relook at the structure and will declare key how much possibility are we gonna go till top, or are we gonna go reverse. So that will be the possibility. So that is our view on Nifty from India Trading Academy. If you have the strategy, I always say you might trade it. So before I finish, let me promote our courses. Guys, if you're looking for some course, the only one course which teach you everything you're supposed to know in trading industry, like after that, no multiple level of the courses, no this and that kind of thing, just only one course and that's it, then this is the destination you're looking for. We only have one course, and once you join that, you would not require any other course, because the way we trade, we cover everything in that course. Now that course you can choose to do one-on-one or in a group session, that's totally up to you. And now this is for the people who wants to learn and who wants to make trading as a full time. Now for the people who are working in their profession and they want to take advantage of the market, Our trading room is for you guys, not for the people who wants to learn. Okay, don't come here and join trading room if you are looking for learning. But if you are looking taking advantage from the market while doing your own jobs and professions and businesses, you might take advantage from the trading room, because I our trading room works from 9 in the morning till 3:30 live. I share my screen, plus each and every single trade I execute I send via message also. You might guys need to check that out if you are interested. So this was it from India Trading Academy. Signing off. Thank you so much.